Hey there, welcome to my channel Multi-Home Decor. Today, we're exploring one of the most special spaces in any home, the master bedroom. This room isn't just where you sleep. It's your private retreat, a peaceful escape after a long day. And in this video, I'll walk you through 7 of the best master bedroom interior design ideas, from modern and minimalist to romantic and luxurious. So, stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share some bonus tips and answer your most asked bedroom design questions. Part 1. What makes a master bedroom special? A well-designed master bedroom should be calm, cozy, and reflect your personality. Think of soft wall colors, warm lighting, a comfortable bed, neat storage, and of course, those little details like rugs, curtains, and wall art. Your goal is to make this space not just beautiful, but also relaxing, somewhere you can truly recharge. Part 2. Modern master bedroom design. Let's start with the modern bedroom. A modern master bedroom is clean, simple, and stylish. Think minimal furniture, sleek lines, and neutral tones. Add cozy textures like layered bedding, rugs, and accent pillows. Don't forget storage, wardrobes and drawers help keep everything neat. For a touch of personality, add wall art or a statement mirror. Natural light is a big plus here, so if you can, let the sunlight in during the day. Part 3. Romantic dark bedroom. Next is the romantic dark bedroom. Deep wall colors like navy blue, maroon, or even black set a cozy, intimate mood. Pair that with soft lighting, maybe lamps, candles, or fairy lights. Go for luxurious fabrics like velvet for your curtains and bedding. A big, soft bed with an extra blanket always adds comfort. And to elevate elegance, add golden or silver accents. Finally, include personal touches, photos, artwork, maybe even soft music or scented candles, for that romantic vibe. Part 4, Elegant and Rich Bedroom Decor. If you want a space that feels elegant and rich, go for neutral tones like cream, beige, or soft gray. Then, add a touch of luxury with gold, silver, or crystal details. A tufted headboard, silky bedding, and a chandelier are perfect choices. Place a plush rug under the bed for warmth. And keep your furniture polished and timeless. This design makes your bedroom feel like a high-end hotel suite, calm, luxurious, and classy. Part 5, Romantic Couple Wall Art. Now, let's talk about wall art, specifically, romantic couple wall art. Adding couple-themed art above your bed or on an accent wall can instantly bring warmth and intimacy to your bedroom. Go for dreamy paintings, silhouettes, or black and white couple photos. You can even personalize it with quotes, framed memories, or abstract couple art. The key is to choose colors and designs that blend well with your room's theme. Part 6, Mid-Century Modern Bedroom. A fun option is the colorful mid-century modern master bedroom. This design uses bold pops of color, mustard yellow, teal, burnt orange, paired with simple wooden furniture. Look for a bed with clean lines and tapered legs, patterned pillows, and geometric prints. Add a vintage nightstand and a stylish lamp, and balance everything with neutral walls. This design is vibrant, playful, and full of personality. Part 7, Floral Wallpaper and Accents. If you love freshness, try floral wallpaper and accents. Choose soft floral prints in pastel shades like blush, mint, or lavender. Add floral cushions, curtains, or bedding for harmony. Fresh flowers and vases also add life and fragrance. Keep your furniture plain so the floral details pop. This design feels romantic, breezy, and full of charm. And that's it, our 7 best master bedroom interior designs to inspire your dream space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite design in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.